all?
We are fine. Who is she?
She is my younger sister. Who is she?
She is my friend.
Who is she? She is my friend. Why do you go to Rahmania Institute of Spoken English?
I go to Rahmania Institute of Spoken English because I want to develop my English communication skill.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 9:30 am.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Brilliant Public.
What's your father?
My father is a carpenter.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Mudarisali Memorial Academy.
What is your name?
My name is Murshida Barlaskar.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 6. What is your name?
My name is Arpita Das.
What is your name?
My name is Hafizur Barlaskar.
Where is your room?
My home is at Ratanpur, Patwan.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 3.
May I know what is your name?
I am Hafizur Barlaskar.
How do you go to Rahmania Institute of Spoken English?
I go to Rahmania Institute of Spoken English on foot.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 8.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a teacher.
What's your father?
My father is a trader.
Let's go our classroom.